Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to see about benefits of virtualization. So we already discussed virtualization and their types. Here mainly we are using this virtualization for numerous purpose. So mainly it focuses on resource usage. So if you're doing any task with a single system means it has many disadvantages. We don't get numerous resources with the single physical system. So with the help of virtualization concept, we can enhance our IT infrastructure and management. So the first and foremost thing here is cost reduction. So how it reduces the cost means it reduces both capital and operational cost. For the operation purpose, if we are buying a new hardware or a new system, or you're spending a lot of amount for resources means it will be reduced by using this virtualization because all the machines uh, are used with virtually, so we can connect any kind of resources with the help of this virtual machines. So it reduces the hardware cost and also it saves the energy because we are using the existing resources. So it reduces the energy and the maintenance cost of every system or every resources is also reduced. Second one, improved resource utilization. So the resource utilization when comparing with other technologies in virtualization, it is improved by the help of server utilization, dynamic resource allocation, and simplified management. So servers are utilizing and it manages all the workloads in different manner. So it splits the workload and it allocates different jobs to different virtual machines. So dynamically it allocates the resources. So based on the customer demand, it allocates the resources to the customer. And the simplified management, it we can easily manage all the tools and techniques because it all the things are stored in a centralized location. And third one is enhanced flexibility and scalability. So it is very flexible to use anywhere and any time. And scalability means we can get any kind of resources with the extension. So you want to extend the resource means that is possible, and you want to decrease any kind of resource or you don't want that particular resource for your project means you can remove that. So that is also possible by using this virtualization. So the main thing here for flexibility and scalability is rapid deployment. So if you are creating a new virtual machine and you are adding any kind of tool or software mean it is very easy, and we can easily scale our infrastructure based on the demand. We can increase and decrease the values or softwares, and it also supports diverse environments and platforms, so we can work on any kind of environment and infrastructure. So next one is increased disaster recovery and capabilities. So we can easily recover information if any disaster occur. So it has a simplified backups. So all the informations are stored in virtual machines are backed up early. So it is stored in a centralized location. So every time if you are requiring any particular resource means that is available, so you can get any kind of thing very quickly. If any failure occur, so immediate transformations can be done by using high availability solution. Graphically dispersed recovery. So if one particular place informations are erased means that information will be stored in some other location, so we can easily get that informations. Next one, enhanced security. So it provides security based on the isolation of applications and snapshots, rollbacks, and centralized security management. Isolation of application is mainly focused on every application works differently. So if we are having a multiple virtual machine means it doesn't affect other machines. if any fault or failure occurs. Next, snapshot and roll back features. So every time we can take a photograph of a virtual machine if you're doing any process, so that can be taken as a snapshot. And you want to do any kind of thing rollback, you want to go previous stage, means we can do it by using this. And it has a centralized management, so it has a set of security policies and management kind of things, so every time they are updating it frequently. Next, improve testing and development. So you want to test and develop any kind of application, means by using a virtualization we can do it. So here it provides sandbox environment. So it provides separate environment to test your project. So that is called a sandbox environment. And cost effective testing means if you want to do multiple tests for a particular project, means we can do it easily with the use of virtual machines. And quick configuration changes, you want to change any configurations based on agile environment or a setup, means we can do it easily. So at the conclusion, here the main focus and benefits is based on cost saving, resource utilization, enhanced flexibility, and increased security. So by focusing all these things, virtualization is mainly used in different areas for working on different projects. Thank you.